maybe I'll put her hair up so that it matches mine, and then we can be a little bit more, you know, the same. Hello, today we are talking about Delina by Parfum De Marly and Meet Dreamtopia. I'm going to smell her head to see if she smells like Delina. Have you seen the reviews and comments all over the internet? I would say a spicy baby doll head. Spicy baby doll head. Are you getting why I'm even making this video? I mean, come on, is this a video worthy topic? This is when you zoom back in time and find a 5-year-old digging in her mother's perfume tray in 1979, and the room has been doused in this cheap plastic and rose nauseating scent. This is nearly a public announcement. What world? What world? Where do these comments come from? What, I mean, you know what? Let's smell Delina. Let's have a little whiffy of Delina. Okay, so let's So what's the verdict? The verdict is her head smells like absolutely nothing. It smells like nothing. I can't even say it smells like a sheet of paper, because a sheet of paper smells like a sheet of paper. Delina smells like Delina, and Dreamtopia head smells like Dreamtopia head. Not the same. One of these things are not like the other. Okay, right. Anyway, guys, look, thank you so much for watching my video. See you on the next one. My name is Karen Taylor, and I smell. I think this is a video worthy topic.